Did you know one woman nearly ended Roman rule in Britain through pure vengeance? In 60 CE, Queen Boudica ruled the Iceni tribe alongside her husband in eastern Britain. When he died, Roman soldiers seized their kingdom as punishment for resistance. They publicly flogged Boudica and attacked her two teenage daughters. But instead of breaking her spirit, this brutality ignited something far more dangerous. Boudica secretly traveled across Britain, uniting Celtic tribes who had suffered under Roman oppression. Her growing army first struck Camulodunum, trapping Roman colonists in their temple and burning them alive. Then came Londinium, where they destroyed the settlement and killed every Roman they found. Finally, Governor Suetonius gathered his legions for one final battle. 80,000 Britons died that day, and Boudica chose poison over capture. Her revolt had killed 70,000 Romans and nearly drove them from Britain entirely. Today, she stands as the foundation of English resistance against foreign rule. One mother's rage almost toppled an empire.